So Dr. Sangeeta Sharma, on how ESG needs measurement frameworks when that bandwidth of industries is different, it is diverse. So the metrics like LCA, waste metrics, or the KPIs which are there, in this bandwidth of diverse industries, how these regulatory frameworks work with a single-eyed vision.
Thank you. In terms of measurement, when you speak about measurement, I think something that comes with measurement is that it should also be manageable. When you are measuring something, no, you cannot have some vague baselines. Your baselines should be within, you should be able to manage that data which you're collecting or whatever measurement. And you're talking about LCA. So LCA is where that science angle comes in. Because what does the LCA do? It sees the upstream, the downstream. So you're not missing out on anything. Like you said, the tractor, the diesel came into the picture because you have taken the life cycle assessment, right? So for your data to be measured in a manageable way, you need matrix like this. You need like an LCA. Okay, for example, if you want water consumption data. Now, water consumption data, water data, it's not just based on your consumption levels. You'll have to see the water table. It is local, it's area specific. What is good for a BPCL in Siveri may not be good for a BPCL in MP. Because, you have different water, the water basin levels are different. So all this, when you take it into measurement, then you don't get vague figures. Like she said, scope 3 went out of scope. That happened because you have to, that data when you measure has to be location specific, sector specific. So that's when the LCA, comes into the picture. And one more thing is that it's very, very important for ESG to be integrated into the operations of your, like you said, safety, security, the plant managers, the engineers. They should all be involved in that because they are the guys who are going to give you the data, who are going to be doing the measuring. So it should be part of your daily decision making. And, anything which is boring and which is unglamorous is ESG. That's what I'm saying. So if it is part of your daily thing, it does not become a burden. It will help you to, be that. So measurement, but scientific measurement is very important, but it should be manageable is the core that I would like to tell you. Thank you.